Hello, this is Jerome Surilia, and today I'm going to share to you some of the additional gifts that I received this Christmas of 2025. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So basically, yung mga gift na na-receive ko dati for the 2025 Christmas is wala lang, naano ko na, nailigpit ko na, nagamit ko na, nakain ko na. Pero ito kasi pahapon, might as well i-vlog ko na rin. So this one is Walk Through Faith. Ito yung ano niya, lalagyan niya, and then ito yung loob, di ba? Walk Through Faith Handicrafts. Ano to? Handicraft. I-ano natin? Handcrafted in Holy Land. So, yan siya. Hindi ako sure kung saan gawa ito. Olive tree ba o whatever. Pero meron siyang kasamang bag. Bala ko siya ipabless sa St. Jude. Yun. Gusto ko lang. Meron siyang ganito. Handicraft in Holy Land. Certificate of Authenticity. Your purchase is a handsome product made. Your purchase is a handmade product made of authentic Bethlehem Holy Land olive wood. Olive wood, yeah. May ganyan ako dati rosary. This biblical wood is from the trees that have been bearing fruits in a nativity of Jesus, a town called Bethlehem. This certificate authenticates that this is a genuine Holy Land olive wood from Bethlehem and hand carved by the families in Bethlehem. Walk Through Faith. Okay. Meron siyang prayer book, comfort cross. So, meron siyang thank you God for my rock. Meron siyang calming a troubled heart. There you go. At meron din siyang prayer patungkol sa prayer for the healing. Everyday prayer. Ayan siya. Meron siyang website. Ayan yung cross sa hand. There you go. Pati sa pagtulog, hawakan siya. Natanggap ko yan. Gift. And then this one, kasi Year of the Horse ako eh. Alam ko, Year of the Horse. Yun ang pinili ko. Pwede naman mamili, di ba? Isa siyang Horse Keychain Lucky Charm. 2026 Year of the Horse Lucky Fortune. Money Magnet Attraction. In the new year, bring positive energy and good luck. Brings great prosperity, success, and good feng shui to the owner, or put in the wallet, purse, bag to attract abundance wherever you go is 348 pesos. Paano mo ilalagay sa wallet to?
Keychain. That's a keychain.
Diba? Ang cute. Ang cute. Yes. Tapos, may ganito pa siya. Meron pa siyang ganito tassel. Diba? And then, aside from that one, may ganito siya. May QR code. See? Naka-laminated. Parang ID certificate. And then, isa sa mga na-surprise ako, bakit meron siyang ganito? Phillips screwdriver. Titingnan ko nga mabuti eh. Ano ba yung i-unscrew mo? Merong ano siya dito, keyring. Ang cute, no? Yes. I like. Then, meron din akong binigyan ako kanina. Akala ko memo binigay sa akin. I-receive ko sana. Pagtingin ko, ay, notebook. Journal Philippines. Parang travel journal siya. Okay, why not? And then, meron akong kalendaryong binigay sa akin. Galing yan kay Mom G. And then, may mga baboy. This baboy, ito yung sa agaw-agaw. Right? Tapos, meron pang isa. Kulay orange. Not bad. Yeah. So, basically, that's everything. And bye for now.